So we're ready to push snow. We got a beater with a heater. I get the heat working in it good. Nice and warm in here. I've cleaned the interior enough that it doesn't smell like mice anymore. And radio works, which is good because if you've ever plowed snow, having a working radio is important. We've got all of our illuminated lights and whatnot and everything on our truck. I got to get 2 more strobes for the back rack. The lights I put on I thought were strobes. They're not. That's okay though. At least they look nice up there. So we are ready to go. I still have to finish the striping and paint the other door, but you know what? Too cold for that now. So I'm quite happy to have a plow truck this year. Oh, I put a floor pan in this side so it's actually solid. Put a junkyard brake controller in it so we have a trailer brake on it if I want to move trailers around. So we're doing okay. Yeah. Oh, that's the only thing. So you see how we got like a little flickery flashing going under the dash here? It turns out that the strobes actually backfeed the switch. So, got that going for us, I guess. But we're ready to go. We got every warning light known to man, but that's how you know that it's good snowplow. Okay, so because this is the Real Guy Garage, and I usually try to give you realistic expectations here, my total cost here, I've been keeping it tallied as I go for the plow, was just under $2,000. That included purchasing the truck and everything that we did to it and on it. Now, of course, there was some stuff that I didn't bill out on it because I already had it. So I didn't purchase it for this truck. You know, things like wire loom and wire, power steering fluid, brake fluid, because I already had jugs of it that I was given actually for free by a friend at work who was moving. So things like that obviously aren't on here because I didn't pay anything for them. But yeah, we came in at $1,978.65. So all in all, no complaints. Well, as you can see, we got the plow done just in time. I used it this morning to clear the driveway, and I just finished using it to pull a delivery driver out of the end of the driveway here. So, yeah, worthwhile investment for $2 grand.